Have you ever received the data set in the text format like this? Boom. Or you have received a CSV file, then you want to open this file into normal Excel format, or you want to open it into Power BI, because the same procedure that we are going to apply with this file, you can apply it for Power BI and Excel. Let's go. You just open your Excel, then you go to Data tab, then you get Data, from File, then select it from Text/CSV. Click that one, then select the data set. It is located at the desktop. Just click it, import, then you are going to open a powerful feature of Excel, Powe Query. Wow, it's my favorite tool. Then you can scroll. You can see this is the file that we have tried to open it from the text file, and it was a mess. Now, if you want to remove this empty column, you can go to transform, but if you're okay with the format, you can just load. Let's try to transform. Now this is the Powe Query platform. You can just go to those empty column. This is the last one. Let's select this one. Then we can move a little bit. You can press Shift. Then you select all empty column. Just to remove them. Yeah, we are done. Then close and load. Once you close and load, it will open that one into normal Excel format. You are done. I hope you like this video. Then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.